Hey, real talk before you go any further. The very first time I powered up the O11 Vision, there was this unmistakable moment where everything just clicked. You know that feeling when your gear finally keeps up with you instead of holding you back? That's exactly what this machine delivers. This isn't tea for someone who settles for pretty good. This is for the person who feels performance and refuses to compromise. Before you do anything else, check the current price and availability. High-end desktops like this don't linger on shelves once people realize what they actually deliver. You know that point when your old rig starts dragging? Load bars that feel too long, frame hiccups in intense moments, or complex workloads that make you wince instead of smile. That's the subtle frustration you've been tolerating without even noticing. That's the signal you've outgrown compromise and are ready for something that just works the way you want. Making the jump to this PC felt like lifting a weight off my shoulders. Boot ups happen instantly. Games load before you're ready. Textures pop with confidence. Creative workloads are rendering, editing, multitasking just run, they flow. It's not just about raw numbers on paper, it's about how everything feels in motion without hesitation or second guessing. In real world use, this changes your entire relationship with your setup. You hit power and you're in. Competitive matches feel sharp and responsive. Big creative projects unfold smoothly instead of stalling. Multitasking isn't a juggling act anymore, it's easy. Even everyday tasks feel snappy because nothing drags you down. Once you experience that kind of fluency, anything slower starts to feel like something you used to accept, not something you'd ever choose again. Don't sleep on this. Prices fluctuate and stock shifts fast, especially for rigs this capable. Maybe you're wondering whether this is too much or just another build. Let me reframe that. Once you feel consistent, dependable performance where nothing hesitates, anything slower starts to feel like a limitation you used to tolerate. That's not hype, that's the actual feeling you get every time you sit down and use it. Here's something you don't expect until you live with it, a system that just feels ready. You don't drudge through load screens. You don't pause mid-flow. You don't wonder whether your PC can handle the next task. You know it can. You feel instant fluidity as soon as you boot. Games stay confident under pressure. Creative tasks feel smooth and natural. Everything responds exactly when you want it. Your setup finally feels like it's on your side. It's not the most budget-oriented build. High-end performance draws real power. At some point, you stop cycling through endless charts and specs and choose the build that already felt right deep down. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay, the one you look back on and wish you'd jumped on when prices were more stable or stock was plentiful. If you're ready for a system that finally keeps pace with you, check the current availability and make the move. The moment you power it up, you'll feel exactly why it mattered.